Let me say this very clearly. Artificial intelligence is not a trend. It's not a phase and it's not going away. AI is now part of how the world works, just like electricity, the internet, and cloud computing once became. And the real question for project managers today is not whether we should accept AI. The real question is how we choose to work with it. There is a lot of fear right now. Fear that AI will replace roles. Fear that experience will no longer matter. Fear that traditional project management is becoming irrelevant. But the fear usually comes from the misunderstanding. My goal today is simple: to help you understand why accepting AI is not giving up control, but gaining that leverage you need. Traditional project management was built for a different time. Long planning cycles, static documents, manual reporting, human memory doing all the heavy lifting. That approach worked when change was slow. Today, change is constant. Information moves instantly. Decisions are expected faster than ever before. No matter how experienced you are, no human can process everything alone anymore. That's the reality. That is not a weakness, really speaking. As I said, it's a reality, right? This is where AI comes in, not as a replacement, but as a support system. AI does not replace judgment. It cannot. AI does not replace leadership either. AI does not replace your accountability too, right? What AI replaces is friction. Think about where project managers spend most of the time today. Status updates, risk tracking, meeting summaries, forecast adjustments, dependency mapping, right? Pattern recognition across massive data, right? Humanly impossible thing, right? Well, these are not leadership tasks. These are processing tasks. And AI is exceptionally doing good at processing. We all know that. Let's accept that fact. Here is the mindset shift that matters. AI is not here to decide for you. AI is here to inform you. You remain the decision maker. You remain the leader. The responsibility lies with you. You remain accountable as well, right? AI simply gives you clarity faster. Discipline still matters. AI does not replace governance. AI does not even replace structure. AI does not replace control either. In fact, AI works better when discipline exists. Clear inputs, clear objectives, and clear constraints. AI does not mean chaotic. Fast does not mean careless. Modern project management is about being adaptive and controlled at the same time. AI support that balance, right? Now let's talk about responsibility. AI is a tool. Tools do not think ethically. People do. We must be intentional for what we use AI for, right? Where we trust it and where we do not. That's not AI's job. That's your job. This is where real opportunity lies. The future project manager is not replaced by AI. It is clear. The future project manager becomes a tailor, someone who chooses the right tool, applies the right insight, filters the noise from the signal, and converts information into outcomes. That's what you want, right? In other ways, AI gives you the fabric and you decide the suit you want to make, right? Companies are not looking for project managers who reject technology. They are looking for project managers who understand modern tools, ask better questions, move faster with confidence, and still protect the delivery integrity. This is leadership in today's world. If you are a traditional project manager, hear this clearly. You do not need to abandon your experience. You do not need to throw away discipline either. You do not need to become a data scientist. You need to evolve with the toolkit, right? AI is not the future. AI is the present. And those who learn to work with it will shape how projects are delivered next. If this message resonates with you, subscribe to the channel. We do not chase hype here. We build understanding, we build discipline, and we prepare for what is already here. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for listening. Bye for now.